Contrary to popular belief, you can live big in small spaces. Figuring out how to decorate a studio apartment is all about balancing its particular floor plan, be it an open loft apartment or an alcove studio, with your work, life wants, and storage needs. And you don't have to sacrifice on personality or style to do so. One small room can be transformed into a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and office simply by rethinking how you lay out and decorate your home. Smart planning, clever storage, and scaled-down furniture can give you more room to relax. Studio apartments do have their challenges, like lack of closet space and limited natural light, but they can all be conquered. The right studio apartment decor ensures your home feels more like a chic pied à terre than a cramped college dorm room. Worried about privacy? Bring in a stylish room divider. Not sure if you can squeeze a work-from-home station into your small but mighty dream space? A foldable floating desk fits practically anywhere and is much better for your back than sitting on your bed or sofa. The right paint color or piece of art can highlight architectural and design features you want to show off and help hide pain points, especially in a rental. All these improvements can help to make you feel more at home in your small space. A spindle-wide chair and square side table are right at home in this bite-sized entryway designed by Devin Kirk. Thanks to their smaller stature, they don't overwhelm the tight corner and instead feel right at home. If you love to entertain, you know the qualms of ensuring there's enough seating for all your guests. But in an apartment, there's no attic or basement to store those extra seats in. Instead, use your spare seating as a knit stand or side table to keep it out of the way until your next dinner party rolls around. With small spaces, you sometimes have to trick the eye into thinking there is more space than there really is. In this bedroom designed by Ramon Boozer, these knit stands feature chrome legs that reflect light and give the appearance of them floating. To maximize space in this bedroom, designer Melanie Milner wrapped the cubby-like bookcase built-ins over the doorway. This allows for extra storage space without taking up too much room. To give an airy and light appearance in the small city apartment, opted for many different styles of seating with plenty of negative space. This allows for a less full appearance. A club chair or armchair would have looked too heavy for the small space.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.